The APGA family in Ekwusigo local government area has welcomed a political stalwart, Juliet Anaeme, who defected from APC to APGA. The reception ceremony, which took place at the Ekwusigo local government secretariat, Ozobuli, was attended by the state chairman of the party, Chief Ifeatu Obiokoye, as well as members of APGA in all the 12 wards in Ekwusigo local government area. Correspondent Ngozi Obeleri filed in this report.
Addressing party faithful while receiving the new entrant, Chief Obiokoye said that APGA has existed for many years and has been providing dividends of democracy to Anambra for over 20 years now.
The only guarantee we have is 4 years of Professor Goma Soludo. OTM additional 4 years. I'm on South Achizwe.
Speaking earlier, the majority leader, Anambra State House of Assembly, Honorable Ikenna Ofodeme, and Anambra State Commissioner for Housing, Honorable Poli Onyeka, noted that the gathering was an opportunity to strengthen their home politically, progressively, and otherwise. The latest entrant, Mrs. Anaeme, popularly called Adozobulu, said that she is humbled by the reception she received, explaining that it is time to face reality for her, having seen all the governor is doing in the state. In their separate speeches, the mayor of Ekwusigo local government area, Mr. Chimezie Obi, managing director of Anambra State Oxygen Plant, Nwamaka Arinze, and the APGA chairman, Ekwusigo local government area, Mr. Edwin Ukora, urged them to ensure that they register all their children and wards who have come of age, and announced that the primary election for the Anambra South senatorial seat has been scheduled for July 21st, while the election will hold on August 16th. From Ozobulu, Ngozi Obileri for ABS News.